Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be updating your EPSON software. So let's just get started. On the top left hand side of your screen you will see the Apple logo. Click on the Apple logo and from here we're going to go into system preferences. However, I do want to mention with older Mac OS you would see all the updates under App Store. So that's our third option, App Store. For now we're going to go into system preferences. Under system preferences we're going to see our fourth option on the left hand side down here below. We're going to see software updates. And under software updates, we're going to see this popping up. EPSON Printer Software Update 3.3. We can click on more info and get what this is all about. Just install now. No, it's not going to require a restart. It's not going to ask you for your Apple ID or anything like that. It's just going to install it. Okay, how long will this take? Well, if you click on get info, we should see that it's only 19.9 megabytes. So for a lot of you, this will only be a few seconds. Others could be a few minutes. I wouldn't actually think anybody would take a few hours on this since it's such a small update, but it does depend on your internet speed. Anyways, that would be it for this video. After it's done, that's all you guys should see right here on the software update. And that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.